Hold on. You're going to be amazed at how you can earn money from this platform. You will be able to make 6 figures. This platform is what you guys don't want to miss out on. Now, this platform is called Making money online is not difficult. I tell you, making money online these days is the easiest way you can earn money in this lifetime. And the amazing part of this is all you need is your smartphone and internet connection to start making this money. I mean, there are 2 ways you can earn money online, which all depends on you. You can go online, earn money without certification, without experience, and without any investment. But the amount of money you'll be able to make when you have just this is very limited. But if you want to earn more money, you want to get 6-figure earnings every month, then you need investment, you need certification, and you also need experience. In today's video, I bring to you this amazing platform I came through. I mean, it is still new. A lot of people are not yet aware even of the name of this website, but millions of people are already making money. After doing my research, I was like, oh my God, come right here and share this with your people, because obviously, for you to be able to make money online, you need to be strategic. You need to meet that right platform, because there are people that put in a lot of work, a lot of money in other platforms, but they are yet to see the results of their money, or they see the money in very limited amount. But when you meet that right platform, then you are good to go. 6-figure will be what you are earning. Now, without further ado, because I don't want anyone to take your space in this particular app I'm talking about, I'm going to share this video with you right now, and make sure you like this video, because that is the only way this video will reach as many people as possible. And don't forget, subscribe, turn on your notification bell, because I'll be bringing other amazing videos like this one that you can actually earn money from the online space. And remember, when you join a platform that is already saturated, it becomes difficult for you to break through, to be able to make money. But this platform is really new to Africa especially, and so people have not yet exhausted this platform. All right, so you've been watching the video right here, right? Now let's just scroll through, see the different videos that are available just for a moment. Okay, these are videos, and if you think this platform is still new, take a look at a video like this one. Sorry about that. Let's go back. Look right here and see how many views. 407.9k views. All right, so this is not very new. It is new to you, but it's not new to a lot of people. All right, so below on your screen there, you would see watch, you will see create, you will see earn, and you will see market and profile. Now, you can click right here on watch. It is exactly what we've been doing. You've been seeing the videos. It's going to just, refresh it for you to start over. All right, as you can see, it's showing us different videos right here. And let me scroll back to this one. Oh my God, I didn't think she was already on this platform, but she's already there. So if you're a content creator, or if you have been thinking about being a content creator and you're looking for a platform, this is where you can start off, because it is still fresh, the market is still new. You can actually break through fast. All right, now below here where you see create, if you click on create, you can actually create your own content, maybe a picture content or a video content, as you can see. All right, let's take back, just like so. And right here where you see earn, this is where you can earn on this platform. And right here where you see market, it is where their marketplace is, where you can shop for different things. I'm going to tell you that. And right here where there is profile, it's where your profile is. Now, I didn't start creating this now because I had to create my account, try to make money, so I can tell you guys about this. Okay, now let's go back to watch. So you can watch videos, you can create your own videos, you can earn, and you can shop, and also you can check out your profile for edit and things like that. Because on this platform, I want you guys to be able to earn. Let's first of all go to earn. Just click on earn below here. It actually shows you something like Pepe, right? Hold on. You're going to be amazed at how you can earn money from this platform. Now, right here on earn, we have easy for task. And right here, we have withdraw lead to cart, up to 90 lead with loot box. We have up to $15 for a friend. Now, the first way you can earn is to click right here on easy for task. Okay, right here. It's very easy. When you come right here, you have total earnings. You can actually earn in this, their coins, and the coins will be converted to dollars. I'm going to show you that in a bit. So how it works, you can actually scroll through. As you can see right here, 500 daily login. When you log into this platform, you would gain 500 coins immediately. So how do you get it? Just click on it, and you click right below here where you see check. All right, just click on check, and you're going to gain this 500 daily coins. It's as easy as that. All right, and remember, this coins is converted to dollars, not naira, that you feel the money is small, to dollars. Now, right here, the next daily task is 700 coins. Play and earn $50 with my chips. Below here, we have 50 coins. Invite 5 friends. All right, so if you have, sorry, 50,000 coins, 50K, right? So if you invite 5 people right now, they use your referral link, just like you guys are going to use mine right now. I'm going to have this 50,000 coins immediately. Now, when you guys click in, they're going to update the number of coins I have. Now, below here, invite your first friend. The first person who actually uses your link to sign up to this, you would get 10,000 coins. And below here, we have buy your first glasses. I'm going to tell you about these glasses just briefly. We're going to do several videos about this because there is a broad way in which you can earn. And I cannot do that in one video because it's going to take all your time. And I know you guys, when you see a video 1 hour, you start getting tired. Now, below here, we have join Chile on discount. If you join it, they're going to give you 2K coins. Below here, learn how to earn on Chile. If you click on it just like so, you click on earn. Make sure you follow the instruction. All right, read the instruction. You click right here on learn. It's going to take you to where you can watch your video, just like what you're seeing right there. It's redirecting us right here. So what you have to do is to read through. All right, so make sure you read through to the end, and then you go back to your chili. Okay, now when you come back here, you click on it again, and then you click on check. Each time you perform a task, make sure you go back and click on check. And when you click on check, just like what you've seen, our account has been updated with these 4K coins. Now, these are several tasks you can do right here. I've already done a lot of them. The number of coins you would see that I have, most of the tasks I've completed is this ones you see right here. It's already showing you it has been completed, all right? A lot of people are already here, but very few are aware you can make money. So just go through here, and that is how you can earn the first way. Now, right above here where you see total earned, I have 108,765 coins. And I only watched these videos, read articles and all that, and it accumulated. Some of the tasks I did was to follow this platform on different social media platforms, and I earned this amount of coins. Let's go back to the different ways you can earn. Up to 90 leads with loot box. Just click on it just like so. So right here you have different boxes that you can buy. Now let me keep the phone down. I know a lot of you will be like, oh, money. I said something at the beginning of this video. There are 2 ways you can earn from the online space, and these 2 ways would determine how much you earn. If you don't invest money, you don't have certification, you don't also have experience, you would earn just little amounts of money because you'll be carrying out just small tasks. But if you have experience, certification, and you invest money, you will be able to make 6 figures depending on what platform you are working on. So don't be worried about this. You can still go on with this platform and earn money without investing or without buying any of this, because I didn't buy anything, and you see those amounts of coins. I'm going to show you how much those coins amount to. And I think I took about 7 minutes to complete all the tasks that gave me that 108 coins. Now, right here, you can buy any of these lead boxes, and what these boxes will do to you is it actually multiplies the amount of money you earn. Let me say if you do not buy these boxes and you want to earn coins, you can earn, let me say for 1 minute, you can earn 10 coins. But if you use these 𝐷 boxes, you'll be able to earn 100 coins in that 1 minute that you would earn just maybe 10 coins without investing. So you can buy either of the 𝐷s. They have different prices, okay? We have 3.5 𝐷s right here, so you can buy. Just go through and select whatever you want to buy, okay? Now, I don't want to buy. I want to explore doing this without investing before I go to buying. I'll actually make money from this app and invest it to buying this. Another way you can also do is up to $15 for inviting a friend. This is important. If you have a community of people that trust in you, you can be in this app without carrying out any other task, without even buying any of this, and you make money from inviting your friends. Now, so when you click on that, your income, $0.1, and right here, 0.1K coins, okay? Below here, what you have to do is to click on this. You copy your link, you share to your friends, and when they use your link to sign up to this platform, you'll be getting a commission from them signing up and from them earning money on this platform. Now, you can take your time. Level 1, your friends. Friends sign up. When they sign up, you will actually be able to get 1.8K coins. You can just read through. I don't want us to take much time, so just take your time, read through. So another way you can actually earn is by buying digital glasses. These glasses are not going to be physical. They are glasses that will help you to multiply the amount of earnings. And the glasses you buy depends on how much you will multiply your earnings, all right? There are different prices. So depending on you, buy that which you can afford. But like I said earlier, the easiest way I want to work on this app is for me to earn money naturally. And then I use that money to buy a glass or to buy a 𝐷 box and then multiply my earnings. You can be strategic like that, okay? Now, for you to be able to buy these glasses, just come below here and click where you see the market. All right, that is the marketplace for you to see different glasses. Now, I know a lot of you will see your favorites right here on this platform that are already having glasses and selling, because on this platform you can get to that level too where you become an ambassador and also sell your own glasses to people who want to earn money. All right, so you can click right here on why buy glasses and read the details. And right here, let's just take some few examples. Buy to get up to $19.9, and this glasses is actually $6.18. We have this other one right here, buy to get up to $9.9, and the amount to buy these glasses is $3.0.09. All right, so just scroll through and select which of the glasses you want to buy. It is very specific there, the amount you would buy and the amount you would multiply when you are earning. All right, just scroll through. Some are even $20. I see $20. I see $50, 60 something dollars, and all that. So this is the marketplace. You can buy the glasses. You can also buy your 𝐷 boxes. It's as simple as that. But if you don't want to go that route, go the way your girl is going, but it will delay you. Remember, the more you invest, the more you earn. Okay, now let me show you another way besides carrying out those tasks they showed us right here on Earn, where you had to follow them on social media, invite friends, and earn money. Click right here on watch. When you're watching someone's video, when you've signed up to this platform and you're watching someone's video, you are earning. Unlike other platforms like Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, where you watch, you like, you comment for nothing, this platform, your watch will be increasing the amount of coins. Now, just take a look at your screen right there. Now, right here on my screen, you would say, sorry about that, whoever is commenting. Let me scroll to another video. You would actually see some coins popping up on the screen, which is telling you that it is increasing. When the coins are popping up and going up, see where it ends, around where the glasses are. That is increasing the coins. Just take note, it keeps increasing with time. Now let's scroll to the next one. Now, just take a look. Are you seeing the amount of coins that are popping up? And when you see where my coins are, you would see that it is increasing. That is how you make money. I tell you, it is better than TikTok, because if you don't get to 1,000 followers, you will not be able to go live. If you don't get to 10,000 followers, someone cannot just see your video or your content and then gift you. You must be gifted on TikTok before you earn money. But right here, as you sign up, as you're watching a video, you are earning money on the go. Very simple. You keep earning money. As the coins are going up, you're earning money. Besides doing this, you can also carry out any of those tasks and earn money. Or you can actually buy maybe a lee box or glasses to multiply that. So this platform is what you guys don't want to miss out on. Now, this platform is called Chili. Let me know in the comment section if you heard about this platform. If you already have an account, let me also know. And if you started earning money, let me know how much you are able to earn and which of the glasses you have been able to buy. Don't forget, I'm going to bring up other videos on this particular app on how you can maximize your earnings, on how you can earn faster, and on tricks and tips and strategies that you can do to earn more on this platform. You want to exhaust this platform before the whole of Nigeria gets into this, because you guys know when people are aware of this, it becomes difficult for you to break through. Share this with your friend, with your family, with whoever you love, so they can also benefit from this. And do not forget, click on the like, comment, and subscribe, because that will actually help my channel to grow. It's all I ask of you, as I'm able to share with you methods to earn money from the online space. Until next time, do not give up on whatever you do. I'm going to come up here every other week with different ways, different strategies you can earn money from the online space, so that if A doesn't work for you, B would work for you, C would work for you, or Z will work for you. You can go through our videos and you watch them, select whatever means of earning money you want to. And if you have any worry, any question, let me know on the comment section, or you can send me an email. You can join our membership so that we can have exclusive sessions on how you can earn money online if you fall short in any of our videos. I love you all. Until next time, keep creating and keep searching. Bye-bye.